Foundation Learning and Curriculum for Wales, and what this means for our youngest learners. Education is changing. This is an exciting time for young children and people with the introduction of Curriculum for Wales that will support learners from the ages of 3 to 16. Previously, children aged 3 to 7 years were taught the foundation phase curriculum, a child-centred curriculum where children learned through first-hand experiential activities, with play being the vehicle for their learning. Curriculum for Wales. Curriculum for Wales builds upon the foundation phase and carries forward the important features and pedagogy of it. It is a continuum of learning for all children from the ages of 3 to 16, built upon the successful practice and pedagogy of the foundation phase, which ensures children have the basis they need to succeed in a changing world. The 4 purposes at the centre of the curriculum are embedded in the teaching and learning of schools and funded non-maintained nursery settings to aspire learners to become ambitious, capable learners who are ready to learn throughout their lives. Enterprising, creative contributors who are ready to play a full part in life. Ethical, informed citizens who are ready to be citizens of Wales and the world. And healthy, confident individuals who are ready to lead fulfilling lives as valued members of society. What is foundation learning? It is the pedagogical teaching and learning approaches which scaffold the learning and development for all children in the early years, up to the age of 8, or learners who might have similar developmental needs. Foundation learning pedagogy can be delivered in schools and funded non-maintained nursery settings. What is foundation learning pedagogy? The pedagogy of foundation learning focuses on key areas: play and play-based learning, authentic and purposeful learning, being outdoors, and physical literacy. Fundamental to the implementation are enablers, enabling adults, engaging experiences and effective environments which are interrelated, and it is their connectivity which is key to teaching and learning. Enabling adults ensure child-centred practice is based on the principles of child development. The aim is for children to learn by doing through authentic and purposeful experiences, which will help them grow and develop an understanding of themselves and what they can do to engage with the world around them. These child-led experiences will nurture their curiosity, confidence, and creativity, and help them develop a strong sense of well-being, with outdoor play being a key part of the learning. How is foundation learning delivered within schools? Curriculum for Wales framework requires schools to design their own curriculum and assessment arrangements considering the views of parents, carers, and the local community. To support foundation learning approaches, schools should be using the Enabling Learning Guidance. It is designed to support them in developing their curriculum arrangements for learners in the period of learning leading to Progression Step 1. The guidance focuses on the key principles that are essential for holistic and meaningful learning for all learners during this period. The value of this period of learning should not be underestimated. It provides the firm foundation that all learners need to support development at their own pace, towards realising the 4 purposes of the curriculum. How is foundation learning delivered in settings? A curriculum for funded, non-maintained nursery settings was constructed by practitioners for practitioners to support the delivery of nursery education in childcare settings and builds on the Enabling Learning Guidance. Enabling adults who plan engaging experiences within effective environments for learners underpinned by 5 key developmental pathways are central to the learning and development of all young children. Belonging, communication, exploration, physical development, well-being. Further support. To provide further support with curriculum implementation, we have professional learning modules available on Hub under the Foundation Learning Resources section and frequently asked questions underneath the curriculum for funded non-maintained nursery settings. We look forward to continue working with you to implement the curriculum and support our youngest learners. Thank you for playing an important role in their journey.